How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now as you can see, there are only 3 followers right now, and in order to go live on TikTok, you need to have minimum of 100 followers or minimum of 1000 followers. So what can we do to go live without 1000 followers? Simply launch the 3 dotted lines or the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down to the very end and tap on report a problem. As you tap on report a problem, you'll be able to see the option of search bar over here. So tap on search bar and here you can just search for how to go live. As you search for it, you can see different options. So just tap on live is suspended over here. Now do not worry, you need not answer any of these questions. You just have to mention or tap on no option over here in is your problem resolved. So tap on no and tap on need more help. Now this will lead you to TikTok help desk. All you have to do is simply on the message box tap on this message that I have mentioned over here, that you do not have the live option and your TikTok account in your TikTok account. So can you please enable the live feature so I can go live on my profile ASAP. Thank you, and just send it, and then the TikTok help desk will contact you within 24 hours, and there might be some issues or some help from the other day. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.